Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So here, integrate this. Integrate this. So remember, looking back at this, keep an eye out on this being even, then make use of this. Otherwise, make use of this. So if you look at this here, this cos to the power of 5, cos to the power of 5, cos to the power of 5 is this here being 5, but then this here is 0. So m in this case is actually 0. So so when you have this here, it is really m being 0. Okay. Well, anyway, visualize this as this. So when you look at this, you should keep an eye out on this being even and even, then make use of this. If this is even, then make use of this. But in this case here, that's not the case, because we need even, so we should be using this. Okay, so visualize this here as this. Visualize this as cos squared of x, as being one block, cos squared of x, and then cos squared, cos of x, sorry. So now looking at this here, you make use of this. So rearrange it. So cos, so 1 minus sine squared equals cos of x, cos squared of x. So now put this into here, and then into here, and blah blah blah. Okay, well, do whatever you want. Press. Hang on. So remember, you're trying to integrate this here. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, visualize. So to integrate this, visualize it as this. Now remember, we are going to make use of this. So rearrange it and then put it back into put this thing here back into here and into here. So that will give you this squared. Okay, so now we are at this stage here. We are now at this stage here. So now let's u equals sine of x, then du equals this thing, so dx equals this thing. So follow our normal routine, put this, substitute this back in, and then the u here, put it into here. So so that will then give you this. Okay, that will then give you this. So now this block here will cancel out with this block here. So that will then give you this. And then now multiply this out. It will then give you this. So now integrate. That will then give you this. And earlier we said let u equals sine of x. So substitute back into the u. That will then give you this. So this is our final answer. Okay.